I've always been fascinated by the stories that lie beneath the surface of a country. You've heard of war, you've seen the headlines, but there's so much more to Afghanistan than conflict. This is a journey through time, through struggle, and through the incredible resilience of a people who have faced more than their fair share of challenges. Welcome to Afghanistan, a land carved by mountains and history, where every stone tells a story of glory, pain, and hope. Let's start our journey in the ancient past. It's 500 BCE, and the mighty Achaemenid Empire stretches across what we now call Afghanistan. Fast forward a bit, and we've got Alexander the Great marching through in 330 BCE. These weren't just conquests. They were the beginnings of a cultural tapestry that would define this region for millennia. Now jump with me to the Islamic Golden Age. This is where things get really interesting. In the city of Balkh, a poet is born who will change the world, Rumi. His words, born from this land, will echo across centuries and continents. Afghanistan isn't just a backdrop for war, it's a cradle of wisdom and art. But you know, the story takes a turn. 3 Anglo-Afghan wars, each leaving its mark. Then in 1979, Soviet tanks roll in. The world watches as Afghanistan becomes a chessboard for global powers. Fast forward to 1996. The Taliban seizes Kabul. Girls' classrooms empty out, music shops close. It's a dark chapter, but it's not the end. After 9/11s, everything changes again. US troops arrive, and for a moment, there's hope. Girls return to school, elections are held. But hope, as we'll see, is complicated in Afghanistan. August 2021. The world watches, stunned, as Kabul falls again. It's a moment that captures the complexity of Afghanistan's story, the cycles of hope and despair, the resilience against seemingly insurmountable odds. But Afghanistan is so much more than its conflicts. It's farmers tending fields, artists painting on ruins, mothers dreaming of a better future. These aren't just survivors, they're storytellers, keeping the soul of their nation alive. As the sun rises over those ancient mountains, casting long shadows across valleys that have seen empires rise and fall, remember this: Afghanistan is not just war, it is wisdom, it is resilience. It is a story still being written by its people. May the world see its soul again, and may we all look beyond the headlines to the human stories that make up this incredible land.